Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yojung. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Yojung is 2 years old.
Yes.
Look at her face.
Yojung, it's your birthday
It's
gift.
your birthday. Oh,
Birthday
you're on
gift.
a tree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yojung, it's your birthday gift. Yojung, do you like your birthday gift? What are those?
These are some gifts that we got for Yojung.
One bomber jacket and one little hat.
Can you see? Oh. Oh, look at that.
Ba 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 ba. Yojung, look at me. Yojung, sit.
Girl.
Oh, very stylish.
So cute.
Yojung, do you like your gift? Do you like your birthday gift? Yojung. Ba 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 ba. Happy birthday, Yojung.
You're so cute. Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Make sure you wish Yojung a happy birthday in the comments.